Okay, so the first thing we want to do is install our batteries into the device, ensuring that the flat end is against the spring and the positive side is against the flat on the device. Okay. Now, once we make contact with the last battery, we should hear an audible alarm telling us that the unit's powered on. Now, if you don't hear that alarm, it means that you may have a failed cell in the battery supply. Now, these batteries are supplied by the manufacturer, but they are not warranted. So if you do happen to have an issue with the batteries out of the box, please ensure that you carry some spares, because these won't be replaced.